Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn off keyboard typing sound on iPhone. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead into your settings, alright? And after you go into your settings, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and scroll a little bit down to the sounds and haptics. You're gonna click on it, alright? And what you're gonna see right here, you're gonna see all of your, ringtone, text tone, notification sounds right here. Okay, so scroll a little bit down right here, and basically you're gonna see system sounds and haptics. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the keyboard feedback, and as you can see right here, I've made the sound on, on green. That means that I can listen to the sound while I'm typing. So if you don't want to, just toggle this one off, and basically you won't hear any sounds while you're typing on your iPhone. Let's find out in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.